Well, this is our rice fields. You can see they're turning a little bit yellow, so they'll be ready to harvest in probably less than a month. Right there is a little small house for the caretakers that they're going to look after the place until we move here. Not finished yet. And this is our piggery. As you can see, it's not quite finished, it's 3/4 finished. We need to do the rentering on the outside and we'll have to finish the roof. But we managed to put some pigs inside because we finished some of the pens. And last night we managed to bring in the pigs that I bought last month. So they'll be ready to breed very soon. We bought 6 of them. So as you can see here, they're not finished. But down here under the cover, most of them are done.
Very good.
And Alicia is feeding him. Come down here, this one is upset. It's upset.
I'm scared. Come on, just put it there. Now.
Come on, bring some more for this one here. This one here. That one there is hungry.
Very good. You did a good job, Mama.
The 2 people down there with the blue tarps, they're fixing a deep well so we can have our own water. That's Amy's dad and brother there.
Wah, sige, come on.
And hopefully in about 3-4 months time we're going to have plenty of piglets.
For good to pig, good to the
They're good? Okay. And his father thinks those are good for the pig, so he's giving him something. Now they're getting looked after better than us.
You want to go inside? This telephone.
And this is their deep well.
Wala mo na to eh. Oh.
Plenty of water.
Big water. Good.
And the rice fields, they start from those sticks
Malalim na yung panuntoy doon.
all the way. Down there. And they come all the way up. All the way to the top where those trees are. And then there's another portion behind this house here. Again, it just makes up all our rice fields at the moment. On the other side, that's where we tend to put our house. There. Down here, we're going to put our vegetables. Out there, we're going to put a fish pond so we can grow our own fish. And the chickens. When we finish, they're going to be here. And that little bush there, which is also ours. And the truck, when we have enough money, we'll build a little cottage. And that's basically the 2 hectares of farm. Any time of the day or night you come here, you get this beautiful breeze, doesn't matter how hot it is. If you sit under a shade, you get a breeze.